Hey travelers, if you're planning a trip and wondering how to use Revolut Abroad, in this tutorial we'll show you how to get the most out of your Revolut card while traveling. Step 1. You have to activate your Revolut card. Before your trip, make sure your physical and virtual cards are set up in the app. Your physical card works for in-store payments and ATM withdrawals, while the virtual card adds extra security for online bookings and transactions. Step number 2. Spend in local currency. Revolut gives you the real exchange rate, so when making a purchase, always pay in the local currency to avoid extra fees. You can also exchange money in advance in the app to lock in rates. Step number 3. Enable security features. Go to settings and then in the security section, you have to allow international payments, contactless spending, and ATM withdrawals. If you ever lose your card, you can freeze it instantly in the application. Step number 4. Use fee-free ATM withdrawals. Revolut offers fee-free ATM withdrawals up to a certain limit. Depending on your plan, always check for ATMs that don't charge additional fees. Step number 5. Track your spending in real time. Get instant notifications for every transaction, set spending limits, and use Revolut's budgeting tools to manage your money easily while traveling. With Revolut, spending abroad is simple, secure, and hassle-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel financial tips.